the widgets, right? How about being able to create a brand new widget, right? So let's maybe do a post to the server that can add a default widget, right? That is of a default type heading and whatnot. So let's do that. Let's at the bottom of our widget list, right, where we render the widget list component, right? Perhaps we can add a plus button at the end. So we can have maybe a button here that says plus. So we have a plus here that's not doing anything right now, right? So we can handle it, and on click, we can notify this.props.create widget, okay, that we can handle the create widget over here. Handle it over here. Now, one thing that we might want to pass as an argument is that only the client knows which topic, what the current topic is. Either 111 or 222. That is in the properties topic ID. So probably we might want to pass that as an argument so that we can create it for the right topic in the client, in the server, right? So here we might want to pass here the this.props.topic ID, right? And then the create widget would receive this as a topic ID so that we can parse it and send it over. We can say fetch. We're going to do a post to the URL, right? That I think the URL mapping is what for the post. So notice that the post, just like the get widgets for topic, the create also should have the same URL, right? So that we know, within what context are we creating what widget, so that it knows that the parent, right, is that particular topic, right? We shouldn't just be creating, orphaned widgets that have no parent. Instead, we will use the same URL endpoint, right? So for create, right, we will change this so that it's for a particular topic ID. All right. Once we have that, we can make sure that the widget that you're sending us, that the topic ID, right, we'll make sure that it's this topic ID that you're passing us in the path. We'll need to parse it. We can parse it. We can say fetch me the path variable called topic ID. We'll parse that and pass it to me in this string topic ID. You parse that from the path and pass it as a parameter in this function, and then I can make sure that the widget ID, widget object that you're passing me, has that as a parent, as a foreign key. Yes? So that when you fetch the widgets for a particular topic, I can then give you the widgets that go for that particular topic. Right? If they're orphaned, then they're not going to belong to any one topic, and you'll not be able to give it to me, right? Because our filter for the getter will always be for within a particular topic. So if I don't have a widget within a particular topic, it's not going to show. Yes, right? So I am setting the current parent, and then in the create widget, they're just added to the array of widgets. Yes, right? All right. So let's restart the server, and let's go back to our client. So our client, when we do the post here, right, we're going to use the same URL right here. So I'm just going to copy this URL. The same URL for the fetch, right? And here's a TID, perfect. But it's not a get, right? It's not a get. It's a post. It's not a post. I'm sorry. It's a post here. So it's the method. It's a post. We're going to send you JSON.stringify. We'll send you an object. Okay, we also need the title, right? Maybe a title, or so maybe we can pass in, or maybe we can just choose a default title for the topic, for the widget. So we might say the title, right, is maybe a new widget. Okay, and the headers will, as always, be content type, and this is application JSON. Right, this will come back with a response that we're going to parse the JSON, and then the actual widget we're going to use to send over to the reducer through this event type where we created a new widget, and here's the actual widget, right? And we can then add it to our array. We can add it to our array case create widget. We can say return where the widgets is going to have the old widgets plus this new widget that comes back from the server. Okay, so let's see if we create a new widget. It didn't work. What? Did we restart the server? I thought we did. Console. Let's see what it's complaining about. Widget list component 31. Widget list component 31. This is okay. We forgot to put this inside of a closure, right? That's gonna go into an infinite loop. Right? It's always gonna be clicked. So let's do that again. So create. Let's click on it. It's blocked. Probably. Let's look at the network. What I'm sending. Widgets. Let's see what I actually sent to the server. Topics 111 widgets, and I'm sending a title. What's wrong with that? Let's see. 8080 API topics 111 widgets. What is wrong with that? In the services of the server, you mean? On the server, let's create. Let's see the controller. Oh, what the? Okay. All right, let's restart the server. Right, so if it doesn't match, it'll be rejected by the server. All right, so let's go to the client again. Let's refresh. Let's do a plus here. Okay, notice that it creates the default heading widget for each one of them. See that? Right, and there's something on the console. Encounter two children with the same key. The key should be unique. The keys. Oh, we never do create a key, right? It's null, so we probably should send a key, right? So that probably in the client we can generate that key. Eventually, that key will actually the ID right, will be generated by the database when we insert, right? But for now, right? Let's come up with a dummy ID. We'll say ID for now will be new date dot get time, and we'll convert that into a string. Notice that the server still remembers all those widgets, right? So let's restart the server so that it blows away those widgets. So let's restart the server so it doesn't have all those bad widgets with no IDs. So let's refresh. So we only have these. So we add, right? And I believe we won't have those errors anymore. It's not complaining anymore, right? So each one of these has unique IDs. Everybody okay? All right. Yes.